My guy, Lagos tough. But if you sabi road and 50,000 feet begin give you money every single day. Number 1, mini importation. Just carry your N50K enter computer village. Buy earbuds, chargers, power banks. Come back sell for WhatsApp, Facebook, GG. Lagos people they buy gadget like say tomorrow no day. Number 2, popcorn work. Get small stove, popcorn pot and flavors. Position for junction or bus stop. Bros na steady customers. One day, fit clear half your capital. Number 3, laundry pickup. No shop, no wahala. Just detergent and packaging. Pick clothes from busy workers. Wash am for house, deliver clean. Na pure profit. Number 4, ice block business. Lagos Sun plus fuel wahala was your opportunity. Freeze water, sell to shops and road sellers.
Even if you borrow small freezer space, money still go enter.
Number 5, a food tray for workers. Cook small beans, indomie, rice, sell for office area and riders. Lagos hunger no day here story. So my person, no they sit down, they wait big capital. Your N50K fit turn to steady income if you start today.